Generally, the exact details of space usage in the room are not really important since the microphone aligns itself to the sound source within the coverage area. What must be ensured is that the entire area in which sound events take place is covered by the microphone. Consider with your customer all possible scenarios like seated meetings, presentations, and different table setups. 2 questions need to be answered. How many microphones are required, and where's the best mounting location? The capture zone for the microphone is large, but has of course limitations. Sound pressure level decreases over distance by 6 dB every doubling of distance. This means that speakers are picked up more quietly as the distance to the microphone increases. As a rule of thumb, we recommend to use following values for an installation height of 2.5 meters. Coverage radius 4 meters or 13 feet. Coverage area 50 square meters or 530 square feet. This refers to the line of sight distance of speaker to microphone. Depending on the situation, those values can be exceeded. You can use a drawing or construction software to see how the requested speech area of the room matches with the microphone's coverage area.
The TeamConnect Ceiling 2 microphone can place the pickup beam within the coverage zone in the meeting room. The speaker is selected in real time, which means that the coverage zones, therefore, have not to be configured manually. The acoustic situation in a meeting room sometimes suffers from unwanted side noises, like air conditioning units, noisy doors, coffee machines, adjacent rooms. Also, loudspeaker systems for the far-end audio can be a source of interference for the microphone. In order to attenuate the noise of these unwanted sources, you can define exclusion zones in which the audio signals will be ignored by the beam tracking. With the vertical exclusion zone, noise sources at the ceiling can be suppressed. Values from 0 degrees, which means no exclusion, to 75 degrees can be chosen. Horizontal exclusion zones can be set to exclude noise sources in the room. In this example, the loudspeakers on the wall. You can define up to 3 horizontal exclusion zones and set angles from 30 to 330 degrees. Please consider that in the excluded zones, the speaker's voice won't be tracked anymore. Of course, you can combine the vertical and horizontal exclusion zones.
A presenter will also sometimes turn away from the participants and speak towards the screen or wall. Meeting participants may also turn away from the microphone when walking around while speaking. With a little drop in volume and clarity, speech intelligibility is still guaranteed as the reflections are detected by the beamforming technology.